Welcome everyone. Today we are going to learn about reflexive pronoun. We have already learned about pronouns. What are the pronouns? Pronouns are the part of speech that replaces the noun, that takes position of a noun. Okay? In a sentence, pronoun replaces the noun and take position of it, position of noun. We have seen the types of noun. What are the types of noun? There are many types, there are different types of pronoun like subjective pronoun, objective pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, etc. Okay, so we have already seen the types of pronoun. Today we are going to revise reflexive pronoun. Okay, so what are the reflexive pronoun? Here you can see the list: myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, themselves, ourselves, yourselves. These are the reflexive pronoun. Now you can see in this column, these are the subjective pronoun. You can see here. So I, you, he, she, it, they, we. These are the objective pronoun. If I is coming in the sentence as a subjective pronoun, so it will turn into myself. When we will transfer when we will transform it into reflexive pronoun, I will become myself. You, if you is in singular form, it will become yourself. He will become himself. She will become herself. It will become itself. They will become themselves. Now here you can see F is not coming, VES is coming. When the pronouns are in plural form, okay, that time we will add VES at the end of them. Okay, these are the singular pronouns and these are the plural one. Okay, so here you can see the difference. Okay, self and selves. Okay, we will become ourselves. If you this pronoun is in plural form, that time we will use yourselves. Okay, if you is in singular form, we will use yourself, and if you is in plural form, we will use yourselves. Okay, now two things that you have to keep in mind: that reflexive pronouns reflects the action of the verb in a sentence that is performed by the subject. The second important thing is it never replaces the noun or the pronoun in the sentence. Okay, what pronoun usually do pronoun usually replace the position of noun and takes the position of noun in a sentence, but reflexive pronoun, they never replaces any noun or pronoun in the sentence. Okay, without disturbing their actual position, they took their place in the sentence. Okay, so these are the reflexive pronouns. Okay, now we are going to see some examples. Now here is: the little boy crosses the road himself. Now you can see this masculine subject is there, that's why we are using himself. Okay, for boy we are using himself. Also you can see here the pronoun is not replacing the position of subject. Okay, it is not replacing the subject in the sentence. Without disturbing the position of it, it is taking its place in the sentence. Second is, she cooked the entire dinner herself. ठीक है, उसने पूरा खाना खुद से बनाया. The cat is looking itself in the mirror. जो है cat जो है वो अपने आप को mirror में देख रही. Now here you can see itself. Why we are using itself? Because for animal, when we don't know the gender of the animal, that time we can use itself. Okay, now I for I we will use myself. Okay, I can do it. How I can do it? I can do it myself. मैं खुद से कर सकता हूँ. Now I is coming. The subjective pronoun is I. That's why we are using the reflexive pronoun myself. Okay. Themselves. Now plural pronoun. Now you can see they. ये जो है हमारा plural pronoun है. That's why we are using themselves. Okay. F नहीं आ रहा है यहाँ पर, VES आ रहा है. They arrange the food for themselves. Now yourself. अब यहाँ पर जो है yourself इसलिए आ रहा है because here you जो है indicate कर रहा है singular pronoun को. ठीक है, singular pronoun को indicate कर रहा है, इसलिए we are using yourself. You should enjoy yourself. यहाँ पर नेक्स्ट वाला एक और एग्जाम्पल है योर सेल्व्स। इस सेंटेंस में जो है ये वाला यू प्लूरल प्रोनाउन को इंडिकेट कर रहा है, दैट्स व्हाई वी आर यूजिंग VES। ओके, मेक योर सेल्व्स कंफर्टेबल। अब ये दोनों में डिफरेंस ये है कि यहाँ पर इस सेंटेंस में यू सिंगुलर है इसलिए हमने योर सेल्फ यूज़ किया, इस सेंटेंस में यू प्लूरल है इसलिए हमने योर सेल्व्स यूज़ किया। ओके, सो दीज आर द फ्यू एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन। ओके, so I hope you understand what are the reflexive pronouns, what are the objectives of this, how we can use reflexive pronoun in the sentences. Okay, so hope this will be helpful. Thank you for watching.